Saturday. I have started my day with tackling all of the laundry that I've been putting off, and I feel pretty proud of myself for that. I have stuff I need to do today, and also stuff I want to do today. I figured I would take you with me. I have a stream today at 5. I have writing and D&D prep that I want to do before 5, and I need to clean my whole situation again. I'm trying to do cleaning every Saturday, and I'm enjoying it so far. So I gotta stick to that. But before we do anything else, I need to go move my laundry. Okay, so we've got like an hour and change to play with, and I'm gonna clean. And I don't know if it's gonna take the full hour, but I feel reassured to have the full hour. So that's how we're gonna start things off. Okay. Step 1. All of this stuff goes over there. Cleaning of this area is good. And now we have to decide what we're doing next. Okay, I have the laundry, and now I need to put all of it away. Laundry is put away. We're good. I don't want to do the corner. I don't want to touch it. I want to leave it alone and maybe it'll go away by itself. But that's not how the world works. My plan for right now is just get everything out of here and then we'll deal with it from there. There's space back here now. Okay, hi. We're done. We're good. It's all clean. I feel very accomplished. All of my camera batteries are either dying or dead, so I'm gonna let those charge for a bit. I'm gonna go just hang out and do nothing. Okay, it's exactly 4 p.m. right now, and I am gonna do an hour of D&D prepping before I have stream. So I have a bunch of notes here already. Here they are. I'll edit in a picture, like here, of the one-shot 5-room dungeon generator that I used to put this together. So I have my general idea where they're starting, where they're gonna end up, what the path is gonna look like. And right now I just kind of want to organize it all. I want to get some good descriptions going, set up some flavor text, and brainstorm starting points for character generation, because I'm pretty sure we're going to all make characters there, probably on the day of. It probably won't be beforehand. And so I want it to be quick. Let's go. I have 2 pages of notes now. I've doubled it. I have notes about how I'm gonna introduce the storyline, what level I'm gonna have everyone make their characters at, and a little bit about their like NPC guide slash MMO escort quest dude who's gonna follow them around. So far their name is Orish. They have a shaved head, they have 1,000,000 pockets, and they have the healer feet. Because their primary function is a storytelling vehicle, and also my way to make sure my players don't die. That's their thing. And then I have some notes about like if people want to play a cleric, how am I going to essentially restrict that so that they are not overwhelmed, because I'm playing with a bunch of newbies. It's good. This is good. This is productive. It is 5 though, so it is time to start doing stream prep. Hi! We're doing gaming things today for the first time in, it feels like forever. It feels like it's been ages since I've done a gaming stream. Yay! Okay, hi, hello. It is 9:17 p.m. I just finished my stream. It was good. It was so nice. I haven't done a gaming stream in a minute. It's been like a couple weeks, and it was really nice to get back into it. I think it helped that I was able to like be streaming with my friends for most of it too. I think that's why I was able to hit the 3-hour mark. It was good. It felt nice to just get back into my games. My plans for the rest of the night are pretty simple. So this is the end of the vlog. I hope you had fun joining me on this, frankly, startlingly productive day. I'll be posting my next video here in about a month, but if you don't want to wait for that, you can check out my Ko-fi where I post blogs like once or twice a month, or you can follow me on Twitch where I stream like 4 to 6 times a week for so many hours. All my links are going to be in the description. I'm Beauregard everywhere, except sometimes there's an underscore because people took the name first. Thank you for watching. Bye!